No, please, just continue. Yes, guys, we did it. Hello, everyone. Do you often look at the chart and don't know when to enter a trade? Then this strategy is for you, because it will tell you everything on its own. Let's get to the trading. But before we start, I want to ask everyone who has watched my videos to subscribe. Every subscription brings a smile to my face and motivates me to keep working hard for you guys. Alright, let's switch to our favorite candles in the 15-second time frame, guys. Yes. The trade time will be 1 minute. I will enter trades with 10% of my deposit as always. Now let's add the indicators. First, SUPERTREND, then moving average, and finally Williams R. Change the MA period to 50, set the color to yellow and thickness to 3. Great, here's how indicators look. Let's add currency pairs for convenience and... Okay, and let's start. And found it right away. Open long trades, so... Yes, opened. Why? Okay guys, because we see a strong upward movement, plus SUPERTREND says buy. The MA has come close to the price here. Williams R is at the bottom and pointed up. According to the strategy, the price will now bounce off the moving average and go up. Wow, that's perfect guys, look! Oh my god, it's so beautiful. I think, thoughts disappeared at this moment. The trade is ours! And I landed at 1,400 earned in 1 minute. And we just saw the position of the Williams R curve, the moving average below the price, and the word buy is that simple. Now there is about to be a reversal. I would open a short here, but that's not by the strategy. Remember, we must trade according to the strategy. Let's move on, guys. Okay, opening. Yes, I'll open a second long trade, both by the strategy. We see an upward movement, the moving average is below the price and SUPERTREND is at the level of MA. Plus, Williams R is at the very bottom. That's a strong sign that the price will rise now. And let's watch. Yes, it's perfect. Where we go? No, please, just continue. Yes, guys, we did it. It's annoying that the price dropped sharply just a second after opening the trade, but we still got our profit. And 1 second. Here's our second win, guys. Yes! If the price reverses and drops to the MA, we will open the trade again. Let's watch. No, it won't drop. Let's keep going. Yeah, open and short here. Because we have a strong downward trend, sell, and the moving average is below the price, coming down from above. Williams are also at the top. And let's look at the chart. Great response. Couldn't get better than that. We see a slight rise, but that's not problem, I think. Yes, it's going down. 15 seconds, 14. Yes, there is nothing to fear here. The trade is ours. 4 seconds. And yes, here's our money. And this is just the fourth trade. Technically the fourth, but that's fine. Okay, and let's continue. Yes, opening a short because great setup here. We see a price drop and a touch of the moving average, plus the price is below SUPERTREND. And we were just at the top of the Williams R. It's perfect situation for a short trade. I don't like this. Looks like buyers aren't giving up yet. Where are you going? Come on, move down. There is no way we can lose this one. 1 second. Oh no, lost it. We see the only weakness of this strategy. The price was moving down for a while, but eventually it became too profitable for buyers to buy. And the price soared despite the strategy. That's why you need to have a few strategies in reserve. You must be quick and flexible to get the maximum profit from trading if you have it. And I can teach you this speed. Message me on Telegram and my top student will give you a trading lesson. And it's free, guys. Here we go. A great opportunity to make a comeback. I opened 2 short trades. And yeah, because we have a downtrend and the MA is close to the price. Williams R has been the oversold zone for a while, waiting for a drop. And that moment is now. And we see it on the screen. Okay, just go down. Yes, yes, yes. 3, 2, 1. Yes! Down, perfect! Exactly on the dot. The price started moving down. We made plus 40% to the deposit today with 5 trades. And let's check the history. Here's our first trade. The second, where we entered twice. The third. The fourth was a loss, but we covered it. Great trading, and it's quite typical when trading this instrument. Thanks for watching this video until the end, and if you have any questions about the strategy, feel free to DM me. I'll be happy to answer. And see you soon, guys. Bye bye!